To tell if a pearl is real, start by looking at it closely. Real pearls tend to have natural imperfections, such as bumps and ridges, while artificial pearls are usually perfectly round and smooth. Another way to test the difference is by gently rubbing the pearls against your teeth or each other. Fake pearls usually feel smooth, while real ones will feel a little rough or gritty. Check the luster of the pearl as well. High-quality real pearls are bright, shiny, and reflective, while fake ones may appear duller. Be careful though. Low-quality real pearls can also have a dull or chalky appearance. You can also check your pearl for an overtone, which is a hint of color that shows up when you hold it up to the light. Ivory and pink are common overtones for real pearls, but not all genuine pearls have them. If you're still not sure, grab a magnifying glass and check the drill hole on your pearl. The drill holes on real pearls tend to have clean, clearly defined edges, while the holes on fake pearls may have more of a rough or rounded edge. While you're at it, peek inside the hole and see if you can spot the line between the nacre, or outer coating of the pearl, and the dull inner core. Most fake pearls won't have this. Real pearls also tend to feel a little heavy in your hand compared to a plastic pearl. However, a good quality glass pearl will also have that hefty feel. Similarly, real pearls feel cooler to the touch than plastic ones, but glass pearls also feel cool. While all these tests are helpful, it can still be hard to tell the difference between a real pearl versus a well-made fake. If you want to know for sure, take your pearl to a professional jeweler. They can do more advanced tests, such as examining the pearl under a microscope or taking X-rays to look at its inner structure.